This salad has a guacamole flavor to it. It's a little bit garlicky and hot, creamy, yet it's crunchy too. And it only takes me a couple of avocados to fill this big salad bowl here. So I would say it's a bit more economical than guacamole and just as quick and easy. It's a bit like guacamole, same sort of idea, but when I was making up this recipe, I wanted to add some different textures to it and also stretch avocados a bit further here. Fine green peas, which I cook very briefly for 1 minute at the most. Then I would process roughly part of them and leave the rest whole as they are. The other option is to use broad beans. They a bit more fiddly because they need peeling, but they would make a salad, I think, more special. I'm adding right away juice of 1 lime. We do need a lemon or lime juice here so the avocados won't go brown. And I grate 1 large clove of garlic. Processed green peas, garlic and lemon. A bit of Aleppo chili flakes and some salt and a quick mix. So as always, I mix salads as I go, and the avocados now they're perfectly ripe, so the skin slides off very easily. I kind of roughly chop them and then mash them with a fork. I'm not aiming for a smooth texture here. I want sort of a rough effect here. And now I'm adding the rest of the peas, which I left whole as they are. 2 large sticks of celery, which I chopped finely. They go in. Love celery, it gives excellent crunch. And the white parts of green onions, the green peas, I would reserve for cooking. Almost done now, so 1 or 2 handfuls of watercress, or you can use rocket here, works very well. Kind of roughly chop it, lots of olive oil, mix everything. Check your seasoning, and that's it. We're done. Lovely salad. Enjoy.